Gas prices rocket up. They drift down like feathers. Same station, same pump, same week. But the direction of travel changes everything about the speed. Economists have a name for this. It's called rockets and feathers. Robert Bacon coined it in 1991, studying British petrol stations. When crude oil rises, the pump follows within days. When crude falls, the pump takes its time. The obvious explanation is greed. Stations pocket the difference while nobody is looking. And there is real evidence for that. Market power and tacit coordination both show up in the data. But greed alone doesn't explain the timing. Stations are just as greedy when prices are rising, and yet they pass those increases through almost immediately. Something else changes on the way down. Here is what changes. When pump prices are climbing, you notice. You compare stations. You drive further. You complain. Search effort goes up, and competition forces stations to hold the line. Now the twist. When prices fall, you stop shopping around. Relief feels like enough. That inattention removes the pressure to cut further. So you are part of the mechanism. There is a second piece. Small cost changes sit inside an inaction band. Too minor to justify changing the sign. Prices only move once the gap gets large enough to bother. Be careful with this one. The evidence is genuinely contested. Several studies find no asymmetry at all, and where it exists, the lag is usually days or weeks, not months. So it isn't one villain, it's a mechanism, and it runs partly on your attention, which means the cheapest thing you can do is keep comparing when prices are falling.